Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GCP Google Cloud Platform. Today we are going to learn how to install the MySQL on the GCP Cloud instance. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to install the MySQL Server. Let's go and add this. Okay, so let's install this. So it's updated. Moving to the next one. This is done. Sudo MySQL secure installation. So any key for the no, press yes. Strong. Remove anonymous user. Disallow root login remotely. So you can make root password for the normally root should only be allowed to connect from the local host. This ensures that someone cannot guess at the root password for the network. Disallow, yes. Remove the test database to access it. No. Reload the privileges table now. Yes. All done. Okay. Moving to the next, like sudo mysql. Okay, so let's create this one with this create user. So let's create one of the user over here. Your password does not match the current policy, so let's paste this. Okay, so here I'm going password at the rate 123. I'm going to add hash over here also, and for the password I'm going to caps p over here. Password at the rate one this, enter this. So this is affected right now. So let's move to grant privileges to this one. Host will be local host. Okay, so let's grant the privileges. Illegal privileges level specified on this. So let's this is there is another option over here. Okay, let's try to connect with this one now. So we have flushed the privileges. Okay, let's do the exit and try to connect with this one. Admin and the P. Let's check the service that is enabled or not. So service is enabled already. Okay, let's try to connect with this one. Sudo MySQL username, admin, password. So you can see I have logged in with that user. Okay. In the next video, we are going to install the phpMyadmin and try to let's here we can say that the show databases. I think there is a query. Okay, so it will fetch you that the default database is right. That means we have connected to the database right now. Okay, so that is done. The next we will install the phpMyadmin or the minor file. Okay, so check each and everything, right? So stay tuned with me. We are until or unless we are going to deploy with the WordPress, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.